Hello guys, welcome to YBFS Academy. So today we are still on the support and resistance strategy. Okay, so it's here I'm come to teach you a support and resistance strategy on the New Zealand USD. Zealand USD. As you can see, I've been talking about support and resistance, and I've said in my previous video that resistance is a previous high in the market. So this is a resistance, previous high, resistance, and the support is the previous low. So this is my supports. Okay, so this is also a support over here. So let's mark our support line using the rectangle. So this is my resistance. Okay, this is my resistance over here. So let me type on it resistance for you to see. And let me mark my support line. This is my support. Okay. Was it is a previous low. I mark this as support because a previous low. Let me also indicate this support. That's my support. Okay. So with this, after you mark your resistance over here, you mark your resistance. And when price, with the resistance, when price gets to a resistance, we're looking for either a reversal or a breakout. So that's a breakout and you buy or a reversal signal. So with this, when I mark this resistance, when price got here, I saw that the market was making some rejection. The buyers push the market up. Okay, buyers push the market up here, and the sellers too was in control, so they push it back. Okay, so there was a long rejection over here after this pin bar indicating a reversal. Okay, so with the confirmation, there was a pin bar indicating a reversal. These two pin bar, inverted hammer. You can see inverted hammer. Okay, inverted hammer indicating you have two dojis. Okay, about three dojis over here indicating you have a long rejection from the up to the down. Okay, from a long rejection from upwards from the up. Okay, and indicating that sellers are in control. Sellers want to take control over the markets. Okay. So and I also added another confluences being my EMA 21 EMA. This is my 21 EMA price was above the EMA indicating buy signal. So I have about two signals that I can buy aside the supply resistance line, the pin bar, or the candles over here. Okay. Candles over here indicating I can sell on the market, and also my EMA. I also added this Bollinger Bands. Okay, I always use Bollinger Bands when trading support and resistance because Bollinger Bands is good when trading support and resistance. So let me move this circle. With the Bollinger Bands, anytime price falls above the upper band, the upper band is the red, the green is the lower band, the blue here is the moving average. Anytime price falls above the upper band, it indicates sell signal. When it goes below, it indicates the buy signal. So price also falls above the upper band, indicating the sell signal. Okay, so we're having about three signals, which is the Bollinger Bands, the EMA, and the candlestick. Okay. Okay, aside the support and resistance, aside the resistance line, indicating that we can sell this market. Okay, so let me delete my Bollinger Band. So this I took this trade after my EMA crossed. So to create my stop loss on my resistance line, I look for 1:2 trade. 1:2 trade. Okay, always look for 1:2 trade. 1:2 trade. Someone too can also put his take profits on the support line. That's not bad. And someone too can even put it take 1:2, but I always prefer 1:2. I took 1:2 trade over here. This is how I took this trade. Okay. And with this, there's another pattern over here. that I want to show you. This is not part of the support and resistance, but I talked about it in my previous video, which was the W and M pattern. As you can see, this is a W pattern over here. There's a W pattern over here. W pattern. As I said in my previous video, when I identify the W pattern, you first mark the neckline. This is your neckline. The meeting point over here is your neckline. Then as you can see, when price broke over the neckline, you then buy. And with this price even broke the neckline and came to retest on the neckline. So indicating giving you two chances to buy. If even you were not paying attention to the market, so you couldn't buy on the breakouts. You can even buy on the retests. Okay, on the retest after this first bullish candle, then place your buy. Okay, please see this one. You can put your take profits on the resistance line, your stop loss above below the retest. Okay, the candle that retest. If you also buy on this candle, the candle that broke over the neckline, you can place your stop loss below that. That is 1 to 3 trade for you. Boom, it happened. So this is simple. I was talking about how to trade using the support and resistance, but this also came in and I decided to teach. Thank you for watching YBFX Academy. Please like, subscribe, and share. And please, if you want me to talk about anything, please put it in the comment section so that I'll make a video about it. If you didn't like anything about my video, please put it in the comment section so that I'll correct it next time.